In today's video, we're walking through HubSpot Breeze, which is HubSpot's built-in AI assistant that can help you write emails, summarize calls, and update CRM notes. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt overwhelmed keeping up with communication tasks or struggling to keep CRM notes tidy, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand what HubSpot Breeze is and how it can help you with everyday sales and marketing tasks. Let's go ahead and get into it. So let's go ahead and start off with the basics. What is HubSpot? So HubSpot is a popular CRM and marketing platform that businesses use to manage contacts, deals, emails, calls, and workflows all in one place. Breeze is HubSpot's AI tool built directly into that system. So it's designed to assist with repetitive writing tasks, summarization, and even CRM data capture. So rather than manually crafting every email, typing notes from every call, or entering information into your CRM after every conversation, Breeze can help automate parts of that work. The goal isn't to replace your voice or judgment, but to accelerate tasks that slow most business owners down. HubSpot Breeze uses artificial intelligence to analyze context, like the content of an email thread or a recorded call, and then produce helpful text that you can edit, approve, and use right away. It's part of HubSpot's strategy to make smart tools accessible to businesses of all sizes. Now let's dive into some of the key features. So first off is the AI-generated email drafts. So one of the most helpful things Breeze can do is generate email drafts. Instead of staring at a blank compose window, you can ask Breeze to draft an email based on your goal, whether it's a follow-up, a pitch, a thank you note, or even just a check-in. This saves time, helps you stay consistent, and reduces the stress of writer's block. The AI draws on the context of your previous interactions, so the generated text feels relevant. You can then customize the messaging before sending. Next is call and meeting summaries. Another powerful feature is Breeze's ability to summarize calls and meetings. If you have a recorded call or use integrated calling inside HubSpot, Breeze can listen to the conversation and produce a concise summary. This is especially useful for sales teams, support staff, or solo founders who juggle multiple conversations per day. Instead of manually taking notes, you get a clear recap that you can review later. Next is the automatic CRM note creation. So keeping your CRM organized can be one of the most tedious parts of running a business. Breeze helps by generating CRM notes based on interaction calls and email threads. This means you spend less time entering data and more time engaging with customers. Context-aware suggestions is next. Breeze doesn't just spit out generic text, it uses information from your CRM, previous interactions, and conversation history to produce suggestions that actually feel relevant to the situation. This increases both accuracy and usefulness. Integrated task support. In some versions of HubSpot, Breeze can even help you set reminders, draft task descriptions, or update to-dos based on conversational cues. This keeps your follow-ups consistent without extra manual effort. Next is multiple content formats. So Breeze supports various content types, from short-form emails to long responses to summaries and structured notes. This flexibility makes it useful across departments and workflows. This matters because AI is no longer a novelty or buzzword. It's a workflow enhancement that teams and business owners can use in everyday tasks without hiring developers or expensive support. Tasks like drafting emails, summarizing conversations, and updating CRM notes, these are not glamorous, but they are repetitive. They eat up time every single day. And Breeze is going to help reduce that burden so you can focus on decisions and strategy. Now let's go ahead and get into HubSpot. If you want to check out HubSpot and follow along, you can get signed up with a free trial using our link down in the description below. Once you are logged in, this is what the homepage looks like. So you can see your meetings, your tasks, and so much more. So what we're going to do first is use it for email drafting. So we're going to go in here. Can you help me draft an email to Ashley saying thank you for our call? Okay, amazing. Now it already typed it out for us. So now all we have to do is go ahead and send an email. So you'll of course want to update everything, but again, it's so nice having the AI directly in your CRM. You also can use it directly in their email marketing platform. Send and 20% off coupon to my email list. Expires in 48 hours. So you can of course drop all the content right here. Okay, you can add anything that you would like, but again, the power of Breeze is that we have everything right in here. So we can go ahead and copy and paste everything right in here. We don't have to log on to another type of source or a different system. We can just have it directly right in here. It even allows you to create a website with AI, so you can get started and just describe your business completely, and then they'll walk you through how to go ahead and set that up. Again, what's cool, if you do have calls on here, you can go ahead and have the AI go ahead and listen, and so you can summarize it, you can send follow-up emails, and it will use all this information based off of what the call was about. You can even do something as specific as summarize the last few emails and call highlights, and then Breeze will produce organized notes that you can tweak. Just as a side note, you always want to review and refine. Always read the AI generated text before saving or sending. Edit for clarity, accuracy, and a personal tone. Make it feel like it's actually your voice. Let's talk about how this compares to manual workflows. So traditionally, drafting emails, taking call notes, and entering information into a CRM were all manual tasks. People often spend more time writing than actually engaging. Breeze flips that script by eliminating repetitive writing and letting you focus on high value decisions. The trade-off is that you still need to review and improve content, which is intentional because AI isn't perfect. Let's talk about some common mistakes people make. So one mistake is over relying on the AI exactly as written. Always customize so the message feels human and aligned with your style. Another mistake is expecting Breeze to replace relationship building. It's there to support, not substitute for real conversation. Some users also neglect to check CRM context before generating content. Providing Breeze with clear context yields better suggestions. Okay, now for the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of HubSpot Breeze is time saving. Tasks that used to take 10 to 20 minutes can now take a few seconds. Another benefit is consistency. Breeze helps you maintain a consistent tone and structure, which is really valuable, especially for teams. Now on the downside, AI suggestions can feel generic if they're not refined. You still need to inject personality and specificity. Another thing to consider is that AI features typically depend on your plan, and not all HubSpot accounts have AI access, so always check your plan for details. Speaking of plans, let's go ahead and take a look at the different plans and pricing options. Okay, so they have a couple different options here. So they do have a free plan, and this is free for up to 2 users. You don't even have to add your credit card in at all. You get all of the free marketing, sales, service, content, and data tools, but of course the free version is always going to be limited. Then we've got the starter plan, which is $9 per month per seat, and that's if you pay annually. If you pay monthly, that comes to $15 per month per seat. With this, you get 500 HubSpot credits, 1,000 marketing contacts, free tool with increased limits, and then you get access to forms, email marketing, live chat, simple marketing automation, ad management, ad retargeting, CRM segments, and cookie management tool. Then we've got the professional plan, which is $800 per month, and this is billed annually. So this includes 3 core seats, and then additional seats start at $45 a month. You get more HubSpot credits, more marketing contacts, and then you get everything in the starter plan, but you get social media, lead scoring teams, omni-channel marketing automation, and custom reporting. Lastly is the enterprise plan, which starts at $3,600 per month, includes 5 core seats, and additional seats are $75 a month. You do have to talk to sales directly though, but you get more HubSpot credits and marketing contacts, and then you also get other things like organized teams, multi-touch revenue attribution, lookalike lists, customer journey analytics, and so much more. So find the plan that best fits your needs. If you have a bigger team, you can go ahead and click calculate, and then you can enter in your amount of contacts, which plan you want, which service hub, and so much more. They really guide you to choose the best plan that fits your needs. If you spend a lot of time drafting emails, taking notes, or updating CRM records, Breeze is 1000% worth trying. It's especially helpful for small teams and solo founders who wear many hats and need efficiency. This is a good fit if you want to reduce repetitive writing without losing control over your voice. If your workflows are already simple and you rarely write or log interactions, Breeze may feel like an incremental improvement rather than a game changer. But used consistently, it can free up so many hours of your time. I know how overwhelming it can feel to juggle communication tasks, CRM updates, and follow-ups when you're trying to run your business. But tools like HubSpot, and specifically their Breeze AI tool, can help remove so much busy work so you can focus on the parts that actually matter the most: the conversations, the decisions, and the growth. If you want to check out HubSpot Breeze, yourself for free, don't forget to use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. This channel is dedicated to helping you use AI tools in simple, practical ways to work faster and build smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.